Hi, welcome to my video on changing a fraction to a decimal numeral when your denominator is 10, hundredths, thousandths, etc. Let's have denominators of the fraction to be 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, etc. The denominator is the place value. If you have a denominator of 10, you're tenths, 100, hundredths, 1,000, thousandths, 10,000, 10,000ths. So what that means is that you have a 1 over 10, 1 over 100, 1,000, denominator is in as 1,000, so it's thousandths, 1 over 10,000. So if your denominator is 10, 100, or 1,000, 10,000ths, you're in the thousandths, tenths, hundredths, 10,000ths place. The last digit on the right in the numerator will be the place value of the digit. So we have a 1 over 10, so that's 0 decimal, the 1 is in the 10th place. 7 tenths, the 7 is in the 10th place, first place after to the right of the decimal. 1 over 100, the 1 is in the hundredths place, which is the second place. The 7 is in the hundredths place, which is the second place to the right. 19 over 100 is decimal, the 9 is in the hundredths place, so the 1 has to go into tenths. Thousandths, the 1 goes in the third place to the right. 7 goes into over 1,000, 7 goes into third place to the right. The 19 over 1,000, the 9 goes into thousandths place, third place. 213, the 3 goes into thousandths place, so the thousandths place is the third. 1 over 10,000, the 1 goes into fourth place. 7 over 10,000, the 7 goes into fourth place to the right. 19, the 9 goes into fourth place. So if the 9 goes into fourth place, the 1 must be in the third, so there's no tenths, no hundredths. 213 and is in the 10,000th place, so if it goes into fourth place, 3, 1, 2, and there's 0 tenths. So the 3 is the last digit, goes into fourth place. And 0 decimal, 3 goes into fourth place, so the 8043. 3 is in the fourth place. 21 over 10, the 1 is in the 10th place, so it's 2 decimal 1. When you divide by 10, as you can see, 10 goes into 20 twice, and 1 left over. This is 32.7. So dividing by 10, denominator of 10, the 7 is in the 10th place. 321 over 100 is 3.21. The 1 goes in the hundredths place. So notice the decimal is understood to be on the end 1. It moves 2 places to the left. We review that idea later. 5327. So the 7 goes in the hundredths place, which is 2 places to the right. Dividing by 1,000, the 1 goes in the thousandths place, so it's 8.321. The 1 is in the thousandths place. And dividing by 1,000 again, so the 7 is in the thousandths place, so 15327. So the 7 is in the thousandths place, so it must be between the 5 and the 3. Tenths, hundredths, thousandths. Tens of thousandths, the 1 goes in the fourth place, so it must be 8321. The decimal is between the 6 and the 8 in order to get 1 in the tens of thousandths. And 265327, the 7 is in the 10 to thousandths place, that's the fourth place after the decimal, so it's between the 5 and the 6. Let's continue. Practice. Pause the video, you work these out, come back to see if you're right. So 3 tenths, decimal, 0 decimal 3, 0 decimal 9. Hundredths place, so the 3 is in the second place. 9 over 100, the 9 is in the hundredths place. 41 decimal 41. The 1 is in the hundreds place. 3 over 1,000. The 3 goes into fourth place. The 9 goes into fourth place. 41. The 1 goes into fourth place. 0, 4, 1. And 0 decimal 527. The 7 is in the third place. Did I say the 1 goes into third place? Third is the thousands. Tens of thousands is the fourth place. So it's 0 decimal 0, 0, 0, 3. The 9 is in the dividing by 10,000 fourth place. So it's 0, 0, 0, 9. The 1 is in the fourth place. So 0 decimal 0, 0, 4, 1. The 7 is in the fourth place. 0 decimal 0, 5, 2, 7. I already got 3 there, so 0 is in the tenths. That's hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands. And this is 0 decimal 6, 0, 1, 1. So the 1 is in the fourth place. So decimal 60 and 11. 53 over 10 is 5 decimal 3. 3 is in the tenths. 12 decimal 9. The 9 is in the tenths. Dividing by 100, the 3 is in the hundreds place. So second place after the decimal. The 9 is in the hundreds place, so it's 81.29, the second place. Thousands, the 3 is in the third place, so it's 4.653. And the 9 is in the third place, so it's a 7.8129, so the third place. Decimal got to go between the 8 and the 1. 10 thousandths is the fourth place, so it's 2.4653. So it has to go between the 2 and the 4 to have the 3 in the fourth place. 6.78129 is the fourth place, 9, so it has to be between the 7 and the 8. So the 9 is in the fourth place, which is the 10 thousandths. Let's express each mixed numeral as a decimal. So 2 and 3 tenths is 2 decimal 3. Because the 3 got to go in first place after the decimal. 4 decimal 17. So the 7 got to go into the second place after the decimal. That's 9 and decimal 233. The 3 on the end has to go in the thousands place, which is the third place after the decimal. 16 and 10,000 is the fourth place, so it's 3416. The 6 is in the fourth place. 6 thousandths place, so the 8 got to go into third place after the decimal. Notice 6 decimal 008. This is 8 over 1,000 because the 8 is in the thousands place. 5. The 9 is in the fourth place, 0009. So as you can see, 9 10 thousandths. 7 decimal, fourth place. Oh, 6, I got 3 decimals. I got a 6, 4, and 1. So the 1 goes into fourth place, so there's a 0 for the tenths. Thousandths place is decimal, so I have a 2 and a 7. 7 is in the thousandths place, which is the third, so I have a 027. 4, 8 decimal. 10,000th is the fourth place, so tenths, hundredths, and 25. 23, 9 hundredths, hundredths place. 9 goes in hundredths place, that's the second. 6 tenths, the 6 goes into tenths place, first place after the decimal. 3 and 4 hundredths, so the 4 goes into second place after to the right of the decimal. You write these down, pause the video, do your answers, and press play. 4.27. 7 is in the hundredths place. 3.081. The 1 is in the thousands place, third place after the decimal. 11.9 tenths, first place after the decimal. 2.0173. 10,000 place is the fourth place, so the 3 is in the fourth place. 9.002. 2 is in the thousands place, which is the third place after the decimal. 4, 3 decimal, it's the fourth place, so it's 9, 8. And the 7 is in the fourth place, 10,000, so 0, 0, 0, 7. 75 decimal. 6 is in the hundreds place, the second place after the decimal. 52 decimal. And 10,000 is the fourth place, so 6604. 4 is in the fourth place. 147 decimal. We have the 9 going in the thousands place, which is the third place, so it's 889. 1 4/10 is 1.4. 4 is in the 10th place. 6 and 7/10, the 7 is in the 10th place. So that's changing. When I have denominators of 10, 100, or 1,000, you just got to put it, the last digit, in the place value. That's what your denominator is. If you like my video, then click on the like button, the subscribe button, the notification bell, and write a comment on my video. And also you can visit my website, mathfullyexplained.com. Information about me, my degrees and teaching experience, section on teaching strategies I'm going to use in my videos to help you learn. And there's a section on the content, which has the topics, number of videos on each topic. The topics completed will be in black font. The topics to be completed will be in red font. I thank you very much for viewing my video. Bye-bye.